Hey guys, to get coins on Temu, you can earn credit for future purchases rather than traditional coins. You can get these credits through several methods, but many require referrals or making purchases to complete in-website or in-app games, right? To earn credits, Temu frequently offers games within its app that allow you to earn credits or free items. These typically require you to refer new users to play along with you, right? Like Farmland, Fishland, or Hat Trick, right? So most of it, or mostly, to mostly, if you want to earn more credit, you need to refer one or several people to join in Temu, right? You can also join the affiliate program. Content creators and affiliates can earn commission for purchases made by users who sign up through their unique referral code. So, important consideration. Many of most publicized games and offers heavily depend on user referrals, and the final stages can be very difficult to complete. Credits do not always translate to high monetary value. Some coins or points earned in promotional games may have a very low value and require substantial spending to be converted to usable credit. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.